client asked me today whether she should order a valuation on her property before she moves out and moves interstate. Now, this is a fantastic question, and the reason why she asked this has to do with capital gains tax. Now, anything I say from here, obviously don't take this advice, I'm not a qualified accountant. However, this is a question that we do see clients deal with quite a lot. And the reason for this is that, generally speaking, when a property is your nominated principal place of residence or owner-occupied home, that property is not subject to capital gains tax. If you are to move out and have that property as an investment property, or generally speaking, investment properties are subject to capital gains. So what she's asking is, do I order a valuation now to quarantine the capital growth that I've already had, which shouldn't be assessable, and to then draw a line in the sand so that any future capital growth only is captured if she ever is to sell? Now, fortunately for her, there's a thing called the 6-year rule. Now, basically what that means is that if you move out of a place, there's your current nominated personal place of residence, and you rent somewhere else, you've got 6 years where you can continue to claim that property as your principal place of residence, which means it continues to be exempt from CGT. Now, that 6 years ends obviously after 6 years, but also if you buy a new property and nominate that as your principal place of residence, because you can only have one property at a time that you're nominated CGT exempt property. For her instance, she's moving to state to rent. She's only going to be away for a couple of years. And so there's no need to actually order a valuation now, because as long as she doesn't buy a new property over the next 6 years, that property is going to continue to be her nominated principal place of residence, which means it will continue to be CGT exempt, which means there's no reason to order valuation. Again, obviously check with your accountant first.